I hope everyone's enjoying the day. Today we're going to do 3 maths problems which are very important. So before we start with these problems, please subscribe, share, like and comment on this channel. So let's get started. The first problem here we have, the question is find pairs of equal sets if any of these are of equal sets, give reason. So our first one, A is equal to set 0, B is equal to set x is to x is greater than 15 and x is smaller than 5. Next, C is equal to x is to x minus 5 is equal to 0. D is equal to set x is x square is equal to 25. Last is x is to x is an integral positive root of the equation x square minus 2x minus 15. So pause the video and try to solve it on your own. Try to find which of these will give you an equal set. If the sets are equal, give a reason. So A is equal to 0. Do you think this will be equal? A is set to 0. B, x is greater than 50 and x is smaller than 5. Is that possible? Let's see. It is given here x is smaller than 5 but greater than 15. Is it likely possible? No, right? Hence this B, this is in set builder form. To make into roster form, it will be B is equal to null set. So this set B will be null set. Next we have C is equal to x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x minus 5, x is equal to 5, right? Hence the C is equal to set 5. Next we have x is x square is equal to 25. There are two types, right? What are they? D is equal to 5 and minus 5. Then we have x is an integral positive root of the equation x square minus 2x minus 25. So x square minus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. This is this quadratic equation, right? Now you have to find the roots. How do you do? Sum is you have to sum and product, na? So x square, what is this? 15, na? 15 will be 5 into 3, right? Sum and product. 5 into 3 is 15 and here 5 minus 3 is 2, right? But it is given as minus 2 and minus 15. So let's make it minus 5 into 3 and this is minus 5 plus 3. It should give you minus 2 and here minus 15. Hence we got x minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0, which will give you x minus 5 and x plus 3. X plus 3. Wait. Yeah, x plus 3. Which is equal to 0. So what is this? X is equal to 5 and minus 3. But they said that only positive root, right? So which will give you E is equal to set 5. Then minus 3 will not be counted as it is a negative. Hence set 5. Now since we got in the roster form, try to find which of them are equal. A is equal to B? No. This is null set, so it's not equal. C is equal to D? 5 is there, but this one has a minus 5. Hence no. C is not equal to D. Then what about E? E is equal to 5, no? So we have set the C is equal to E. Set E is equal to set E because they both have the same element, right? Hence C is equal to E. This is the answer for the first one. Hope everyone got it correct. Now let's move on to the second question. Now the second question here. In a school, there are 20 teachers who teach maths or physics. Of these, 12 teachers teach maths, 4 teach both maths and physics. So the question is, how many teach physics? Pause the video, try to read the question, understand it, and then solve it. They're asking how many teachers teach physics. They given the total number of teachers are there. So that is, let's take it maths as maths teachers as M, physics teachers as P. Okay. So the number of this elements of maths union physics is 20, right? And they told how many number of teachers is there. So number of elements, the number of teachers in maths is 12, and 4 teach both maths and physics. Both maths and physics. Okay, which means number of maths this intersect P is equal to. This is intersection. Intersection means a common size, right? So we have to find the common. This is the common between maths and physics. So those are 4. Now we got what is the number of elements in each. Now what they asked is we have to find the number of physics. So there is a certain formula. What is that formula? N union P is equal to N plus N this number of elements P minus N of difference. Isn't that correct? Yes. Intersect P. Substitute all those and M union P now. So number of maths and this one physics 20 is equal to, how many is there for maths? 12, right? 12 plus, let this be x, okay? Let this be x minus 4, right? So what is 12 minus 4? What is 12 minus 4? Yes, 8. So this 20 minus 8 is equal to x. Correct? Correct? So which will be 12. So number of physics teachers is, those who teach physics is 12. Hope everyone got the correct answer. Now let's move on to the last question. Now the last question of the day is, college awarded 38 medals in football, 15 in basketball, 20 in cricket. If these medals even to a total of 58 men and only 3 men got the medals in all 3 sports, how many received medals? Exactly 2 of 3 sports. So pause the video, read the question again and try to solve it. So they said there are 38 medals. For what? In football. So N of F, we will take that as 38. N of basketball, no? B, 15. N of C, that is cricket. What is that? 20. Now they said if the medals even to a total of 58 mean. 58 meaning the total elements. So that is N of F union B union C is 58. And what is this 3? Only 3 men. 3 men for all 3 sports, which is N of F intersects B intersects C is 3. Now there is a formula which you will get the total number. What we have to find is how many received medals, exactly 2 of 3 sports. So 2 of 3, like there are 3 sports, football, basketball, cricket. We have to find at least 2, like football, basketball, no cricket, or football, cricket, no basketball, like those. So the formula is N of F union B union C is equal to N of F plus N of B plus n of C minus n of F intersects C minus n of F intersects B and minus n of B intersects C plus that full n of F intersects B intersects C, that is equal to, we have to find out. So all this those which are just we have not found the value, right? Those take it to the other side. That is n of F minus F intersects B usual, okay? N of F intersects C plus n of B intersects C is equal to, this was 58 now. So 38 plus 15, what is that? 53, right? So 53, so 53 plus 20, 70, na? So 73 minus 85, not 85, 58 plus 3, right? So try to solve it, what do you get? So let's see, 76 minus 58, right? So let's see, 6, you will get 18. So hence you got the total number of this of 2 of 3 sports is 18. Okay, so let's do a Venn diagram. A Venn diagram is like let's say one set represents a circle. Okay, a circle represents one set. So let's say this is F, C, B, and we'll do one thing. We'll see when the 3 circles come together, you see some space here, right? Right? Those are the intersection points, the most common between those circles, those sets, right? So what we'll do, we'll consider this part as A, this part as B, where is the other part here? C and D, okay? B, C, D. The D is the common part of all the 3. B is of football and basketball, C cricket and basketball, and A is football and cricket. Okay, that is F unit, what is it? F intersect, na? F intersects B is B plus plus A plus C is equal to 18. It doesn't make a difference where you want to put A, B, C, your choice. But all the total, the sum of these must be equal to 18. So how many received medals? Exactly 2 or 3 sports. Totally 18 received that medals. Hence we have solved the problem. I hope you all found this easy to understand. These 3 problems are the most important because most people make mistakes in these type of questions. Like so huge and all that you lose your brain, you can't see clearly, right? So there's another way to make it easier, the way I have done. So try to convert these, like football, and they give the number of elements. So the number of elements in F, that is n of F, is equal to this much n of elements. And if they given that these medals went to a total of 58 men, 58 men. Okay, total must be there. That means the union of those 2 sets or 3, no, a number of sets, that would be the union, number of elements in that union set. If they given that only 3 men got of in all 3 sports, that means like the common part, it is the intersection part. So I hope you found this easy to understand. So please subscribe, share, like and comment. So this is your teacher Aditya Krishna Raj signing off.